sir? Okay, sir. Good morning to one and all, ma. Our expected AGO, sir, Sri Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu, good morning, sir. Our convener, Somsekar sir garu, good morning, sir. Once again, my dear students, good morning to all. Okay, the previous classes we learned about the nutrition and respiration, ma. These are all in the over the topics and over the chapters also. Sir, ఎవరైనా మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారా సార్?
ఉన్నారు.
Do you know how many life processes are there, ma? Do you know? Anybody say? How many life processes are there? Anybody say, ma? Anybody say how many life processes are there? Okay. All living organisms doing so many life processes, ma. So many life processes. Already the over the process of the nutrition, respiration is over or over, ma. Today I'm going to explain the transpiration, the systematic, it's say like the circulatory system. Okay. Today I am going to teach about the following topics: introduction of circulatory system, definition of circulatory system, functions of circulatory system, types of circulatory system. Okay. See this slide, all of you. All living organisms doing so many life process, ma. What are this life process? See, the first one is nutrition, respiration, transpiration, excretion, control, growth, reproduction, movement. These are all, say like that, life processes. Okay, these are all, it's a life processor, ma. All living organisms it will do, ma. All organisms also. Plants also one kind of organism, but the movement not doing to like that in the plants, except movement, ma. This process also doing like that all living organisms. Okay, this is the very important life processes. It's studied in our 10th class. Okay. These very important life processes, very essentials also, very essential life processes doing to all living organisms. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about the transpiration. Already nutrition is over, respiration is over. Today I am going to discuss about the transpiration. Transpiration, that means any materials, ma. Any materials it transport to one place to another place. Any materials like that is called as transpiration. Totally the activities during the one system is called as circulatory system. Can you able to understand? Shall I move to next line?
Yes, ma'am.
I explain the introduction of the circulatory system, ma. You know, circulatory means blood circulation of the overall the body parts, ma. Okay. What is the first introduction of the circulatory system? See in this slide, the circulatory system is considered a closed system, ma. This is not in the open. In this system, closed system. Inside all living organs inside of the body, it is like that one kind of closed system. Because the blood remains in blood vessels. Already in our body, blood vessels are there. The major blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries. These are all major blood vessels. Arteries, veins also main major blood vessels. Capillaries also, again three types of them. What are they? RBC, red blood cells or red blood capillaries, and white blood capillaries, blood platelets. These are all capillaries. One kind of capillaries. Okay. The circulatory system through the total activities or through the one main organ is functioning. The main organ is called as heart. Only the respiration process, it during to the main organ it functioning, it helps to like that lungs. Nutrition also, it helps the digestion process also. In our stomach, so many parts are there. And after the digestion and the process totally completed of the nutrition, that means it like that any one organ, it helps to it functioning of the process. Same like that, the circulatory system also, it has functioning of the blood into all the body parts. It helps to the main organ is called as heart. Heart is the pumping to the blood in through the all parts of the body. And next, the blood also, it has a blood vessels are there. The blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries. Okay. Next, these capillaries also, already the capillaries are RBC, WBC and blood platelets, it collectioning of the blood and circulationing of the all parts of the body. Circulating to the all parts of the body. Same like that, in our taking of the food contents is like that nutrients, gases, and it form to the wastes is all exchanged. It helps to the capillaries also. Same capillaries, the pumping of the blood, and same like that, it collection of the nutrients and gases, wastes also. Same that those functioning to the it helps to the capillaries. These are all the main parts of the circulatory system. The circulatory system, the main concept is transpiration. The what is the transpiration in this system? The mainly the blood transpiration of the all parts of the body, inside of the all parts of the body through the all living organisms. Okay. In the circulatory system, the through the functions also through the main organ is called as heart. Heart is the pumping of the blood in through the all parts of the body. But how to it pumping to like that? The blood vessels, it helps to like that. The blood vessels are there now. This also helps to like that in the arteries, veins and capillaries. These are all pumping to the blood and communicate with the inside of the all parts of the body. Do you know that in the previous classes we learned about it like that? What are the arteries? What are the veins? These are all Arteries are it circulation of the oxygenated blood. Veins also it's circulating to the deoxygenated blood. Already it indicates in the red, in veins also it indicates in the blue color. Do you know, ma? Blood is red in color. Yes or no? Blood is red in color or not? Yes, red is red in
Yes,
color.
madam.
How it possible to red in color? It indicates to like that. Any is there in the blood? Yeah, it has a one pigment is there. Do you know?
Hemoglobin, madam.
Pigment, very good. Hemoglobin pigment is there. Good mark. If one iron content, the hemoglobin is there in the blood. It is the indicates the red in color. Blood is red in color. It indicates the pigment is there in the hemoglobin. Can you able to understand?
Yes, madam.
These are all the blood and food content. That means nutrients, gases, and anything like that. It is exchange of the internal body, internal all parts of the body. It is transpiration like that. It moved to one place to another place. It's called as the process. It's say like the transpiration. The only the depend on the systematic. Through the systematic, it's like that. It's a circulatory system. It way the functioning of the one regulating in the correct regulating of the all activities. That is it maintain the one system. The system is called as in this slide. It say like the circulatory system. I explained what is the main interaction of the circulatory system. Okay, can you able to understand? Shall I move to next
Madam.
slide?
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
move to next slide? Okay. See, I explained the definition of the circulatory system. What is the main circulatory system? What is the definition of the circulatory system? The bodily system consisting of the heart, blood vessels, and blood that circulates blood throughout the body. The circulatory system, the main parts are heart, blood vessels, and blood also that circulate blood in the throughout the body. But the same like that, the delivers nutrients and other essential materials of the cell to cells and removes waste products also is called as it say like that circulatory system or and is called as a cardiovascular system. Cardio means the heart, the main part of the heart. Through the functioning of the one system like that in the heart is called as the system is called as cardiovascular system. Okay, this is the main definition. The definition is the heart is pumping the blood. Same like that, blood vessels are there in our internal body. The blood vessels, it collection of the blood and the circulating of the blood in the all parts of the body. Same like that, the blood vessels also it collect the nutrients and the gases also it exchange and waste products also exit. This is also in the process like that in the transpiration. That means it has the functioning. During the activities, doing the so many activities are there. This is called as it undertake to the system of like that circulatory. The circulatory system, it is through the process it undertaking like that. Okay, ma? Can you able to understand in this slide?
Yes, madam.
Shall we move to next slide? Okay. See, what is the main functions of the circulatory system? Already, nutrition, respiration is over. Same like that. Digestive. First lesson is called as digestive system. Second lesson is called as respiratory system. In the third chapter, it is called as a like the circulatory system. The circulatory system, the main concept is transpiration. What is the transpiration? In any material, that means like blood and nutrients, gases, anything like that, transpiration of the all parts of the body. It's say like that undertaking the activities through the circulatory system. Okay, what is the main functions of the circulatory system? Okay, the circulatory system is a transport system of the body. Circulatory, that means transport. What is the transport in this like that? Blood and nutrients also. Any other materials also transport to all parts of the body internally, maintenance of this like that. It is the main system of the circulatory. Next, what is the mainly four functions are there, ma? What is the main functions for? Is a circulatory system. It maintains of the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is not a respiration, ma. In blood vessels, in our internal body, it has a blood vessels are there, but the transportation of the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood vessels, ma, through the blood vessels. The blood vessels also collecting of the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is including to the blood and it is communicate with all parts of the body. That is it's called as oxygenated blood. But carbon dioxide is one of the it exit from this like that deoxygenated blood through the heart. Heart is one kind of filtering pot. I'm giving so many a lot of the explanation in the upcoming slides also. In this slide, the main function is circulatory system. The main function is transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. If this oxygen carbon dioxide transport to the blood vessels, not only respiration, not only lungs. In this slide, it say like that transport of the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. That means blood vessels are transportation between the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Next, the second functioning is a circulatory system, distribution of nutrients and transport of wastes. Only you will take the some food contents, it has it get to the energy. That means the energy, that means the food contents also it convert to the blood. Blood already it has the blood vessels are there. Blood also it a circulation to the all parts of the body. It maintenance of this like that one system. This is called as circulatory. Okay. Distribution of the nutrients and transport of the wastes also. That means the nutrients also it helps to transport it, and the wastes also to exit that time also to transport it. Ma. Okay, this is the main functioning of the circulatory system. In next, the third functioning of circulatory system is maintenance of the body temperature. In concentrate in our body temperature or high and low concentrated between in our body or human body, anything like that, all living organisms also in our surroundings, and it maintains the body temperature. We know already human body in the normal temperature is called as 98.6 in Fahrenheit, but we say like the centigrade 37 ma. It says the centigrade 37. It says the Fahrenheit in 98.6. This is the normal temperature. The temperatures also it maintains the main functioning of the circulatory system. Okay, in the last functioning in the circulatory system is called as circulation of hormones. Hormones is the main in our body to control of in our all activities is controlled by this hormones. Ma. Hormone secretion, the so many glands also. It helps to the maintenance of structure. It maintains of the activities during to like that. It helps to the hormones only. This is all it circulation between. It helps to like the circulatory system. What it maintain functioning of the circulatory system. Ma. This is the main functions of the circulatory system. The first functioning is transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide, and second functioning is distribution of nutrients and transport of wastes, and third functioning is maintenance of body temperature, and fourth functioning is circulation of hormones. This is the main functions of circulatory system. Can you able to understand in this slide?
Yes, madam.
Okay, shall I move to next slide? Okay, I share one video, ma. Is the video కనిపిస్తుందా ma?
Yes, madam.
Okay, ma. See, I shared one video. Please observe in this video carefully. This is circulatory system, ma. See, one human body is there. What is main part in this system? Mute yourself, ma. See, the heart is main functioning in this system, ma. This is also blue and red color indicates so many vessels are communicate in this system, ma. See, in our body, so many blue color indicate vessels, blood vessels, and red color indicates blood vessels are there. The red color indicates the blood vessels is called as arteries. Arteries. Blue color it indicates it's say like that veins. Sima, red color indicates arteries, blue color indicates veins. These are all in the root-like structures are there in no small tiny tubes like structures are there, ma. This is like that capillaries. Sima, in human body in this internally the blue color indicate vessels and red color indicate vessels also to communicate in the blood through all the body parts, ma. The heart, we know heart has a 4 chambers are there. We know 4 chambers, 4 walls are there. Right arterium, left arterium, right ventricle and left ventricle. These are 4 chambers, ma. These 4 chambers, it helps to the blood transportation to the all parts of the body. It helps to the heart. The main heart is main part of in this circulatory system. Okay, okay. I give the some upcoming classes also. I give the explanation of the heart. Okay, the circulatory system mainly 3 types are there, ma. Circulatory system, it mainly three types are there. What are the main types or circulatory system is called as? The first one is heart. The second one is blood. Third one is vessels or blood vessels. The three components is mainly the circulatory system as there ma. Blood vessels again three types are there ma. Blood vessels again arteries, vein, capillaries. Capillaries again three are there ma. What are they? RBC, WBC, blood platelets.
Platelets.
RBC is called as red blood capillaries. WBC is called as white blood capillaries and blood platelets. Once again, I say the circulatory system, the mainly three types are there, or three main components are there. What are the three main components? Heart, blood,
Blood.
blood vessels. This is the main components of the circulatory system. Okay. Blood vessels, again, three types are there. What are they? Arteries,
Artery.
veins, capillaries. These are all blood vessels. Capillaries also, again three types are there ma. What are the again three types are there? RBC,
RBC.
WBC,
WBC.
blood platelets. Already we know red blood capillaries, white blood capillaries and blood platelets. These are all the main components of the circulatory system. Okay, ma. See in these pictures also, this is heart, this blood also inside of the blood, veins also in this like that, the arteries also. These are all the pictures of the inside in our body or all living organisms. It is the inside of these pictures are there, ma. Veins, blood, arteries, heart. Okay, can you able to in this slide, ma? Can you able to understand in this slide?
Yes, madam.
Shall I move to next slide?
Okay, madam.
Okay, mainly three types of mainly three components are there now: blood vessels or heart. What is the blood? The blood. What is the main functioning of the blood? The blood main functioning is mixture that carries oxygen, nutrients, and wastes through the whole body. Through the whole body. Blood main functioning is mixture means it has a communicate with all of them. That means carries to the oxygen, nutrients and wastes. Blood, these are also maintains through the whole body. This called as the blood is functioning ma. The blood is one kind of is called as circulatory system. Okay. Next to blood vessels ma. Blood vessels also two blood structures. These tubes that carry blood, only they carry to the blood in the heart pumping and all parts of the body. It is like that it pumping to the, it helps to the arteries, veins and the capillaries. Already say the blood vessels are three types: arteries, veins, capillaries. Capillaries again three types: RBC, WBC, blood platelets. Okay. The blood vessels, the main functioning is carry to the blood and pumping to the all parts of the body. Okay. Next, what is the main function of the heart? The heart pumps blood through vessels. The first, the heart pumping to the blood through the vessels. The vessels it is circulating to the all parts of the body. So already vessels also mainly three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries is mainly, see, I'm going to next slide, ma. Already in these pictures also, blue color indicates veins, red color indicates it vessels,
Arteries.
like arteries, ma. Arteries only carry to the oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means manchi raktamu. Next, the blue color indicates veins, ma. That means veins carry to the deoxygenated blood, ma. Ante chedu raktamu. These all oxygenated and deoxygenated, it carry to the pumping heart and it circulating to the all parts of the body. First of all, I'm going to next slide. I give you some explanation. Arteries. See in this slide, the arteries are tubes that carry blood away from the heart. The first, the heart is there in our body. Inside all living organisms, as a heart is there, main part of the heart in our body. The heart, it start with carry the blood away the all parts of the body. That means in the start with the heart and the pumping of the blood, it helps to the arteries. That is one kind of blood vessel. Artery is one kind of blood vessel. Is it the arteries also? It carry the oxygenated blood only. This oxygenated blood is through the all parts of the body. This is the main functioning of the arteries. Next to veins, ma. Veins are tubes that return blood to the heart. Return blood, that means the veins it collecting to the body, in our body, in the deoxygenated blood also it collecting and it circulating to the heart, it pumping to the heart. Heart is filtered to the in the oxygen blood after it's circulating to the same blood. What means the process is like that in cycling process, ma. That means oxygenated and deoxygenated blood also it circulating to like that. First of all, oxygenated blood it's pumping to the all parts of the body. It helps to the arteries. Same like that, veins also it collectioning of the deoxygenated from the body and it's pumping to the heart. It helps to the veins. Veins also, that means heart also, it filtered to the deoxygenated blood. After it changing to the oxygenated and it go to the all parts of the body. This is one cycling process, ma'am. Okay. Next, capillaries. Capillaries connect arteries and veins, ma'am. The main capillaries is the connecting between the arteries and veins. That means in the tiny tubes-like structures are there, ma'am. Tiny tube-like structures are there is called as say like the capillaries. The capillaries also again three types: red blood capillaries, white blood capillaries, and blood platelets. Okay, these capillaries it helps to exchange food, oxygen, and wastes between blood and blood cells. Blood cells. This is only the blood. It mainly it functioning to the blood inside. That only the capillaries it helps to the exchange of the food, exchange of the gases and wastes also exit, and same like that the blood also it circulating to the all parts of the body. It's maintaining of these activities also it maintaining of the capillaries. Can you able to understand? Shall I move to next slide? Okay. What is the circulation? What is the main definition of the circulation? Internal body, the main organ is heart is there. The heart is functioning. That means heart is the pumping of the blood in through the all parts of the body. Already blood has three types of the blood vessels are there: veins, arteries, and capillaries. What is the circulation? Circulation means communication. The blood is communication. Okay. The heart functions as two pumps. Heart is functioning as two pumps. One pump pushes blood to the lungs, and while the other pump pushes blood to the rest of the body. Lungs is the one kind of filters, the blood filters organ. ఇక్కడ లంగ్స్ అనేది రక్తాన్ని శుభ్రం చేసేటువంటి ఒక భాగంగా మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ దట్ మీన్స్ that means the explanation, that means what is the purification of the blood inside of the parts already you don't know like that, but I give the explanation in the upcoming classes. Okay, the heart functions as the two pumps. One pump pushes blood to the lungs, while the other pump pushes blood to the rest of the body. Okay. Next, the two pathways of blood through the body are called pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. The circulation also again three types are there, ma. That means the heart functions as a two pumps. The heart is main role of pumping of the blood to the all parts of the body. It helps to the blood vessels. Okay. Shall I move to next slide? Okay. This is the types of circulation, ma. What is the types of circulation? Three types of circulations are there: pulmonary circulation, systematic circulation, cardiac circulation. The first one, pulmonary circulation, is called as blood flow between the heart and lungs. Heart and lungs. And second one, the systematic circulation is called as blood flow from heart to rest of the body. Heart to rest of the body. The blood communicates with the heart to all parts of the body. Next, cardiac circulation is called as blood flow within the heart only. The cardiac circulation, the blood flow within the heart. Heart లోపల రక్త ప్రసరణ జరుగుతుంది. Okay, this is the main types of the circulations, ma. Okay, mainly the transpiration means it transport to the all parts of the body. Just like some activities are there, some collection of the blood and collection of the nutrients, anything like that. Just like it moving to like that in the circulating to the all parts of the body. Okay. I am asked one question. How many life processes are there? Anybody say? How many life processes are there? Anybody say, ma? How many life processes? How many life processes are there, ma?
8, madam.
8, madam.
Say.
Nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, reproduction,
Control, growth, movement,
Production.
nutrition,
Live.
Okay, ma. How many blood vessels are there, ma?
3, madam.
What are they?
white
White blood
cells, red blood cells,
cells,
No, I
white
say
blood cells, red blood cells, blood platelets.
no, ma. Listen.
Arteries,
What I
veins,
am
capillaries, madam.
Okay, okay. What I am asking listen carefully. How many blood vessels are there? How many blood vessels?
3, madam.
What are they?
3, madam. Arteries, veins, and capillaries,
Blood,
madam.
blood vessel heart.
Okay. Very good. And in the circulate, how many types of circulatory system are there? How many components are there? Circulatory system, how many components are there?
3 components, madam.
Very good. What are they?
Blood vessels and heart, madam.
Heart,
yes, ma'am.
blood vessels, blood.
Blood, madam.
Blood. These 3 components mainly in circulatory system. Okay. How many capillaries are there? How many capillaries are there?
3, madam.
What are they?
Capillaries,
What are
Red
they?
blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, madam.
Very good. Very good. Very good, ma. Sir, inka time unda sir? Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
4 minutes, madam.
Okay, ma. Any doubts are there?
no, madam.
Madam. What is the main functioning of the arteries, ma? Say anybody. What is the main functioning of the arteries?
Transportation of oxygenated blood, madam.
Very good. What is the main functioning of the veins?
Transporting of deoxygenated blood, madam.
Very good. Very good. College and class. Okay. What is the main functions of the circulatory system, ma? Anybody say?
Pumping of blood, madam.
Main function. Okay, pumping of the blood. What's the main circulatory system function? Circulatory system function.
Filtering of blood, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide, madam.
Good. Next. Four functions are there.
Circulation of hormones, madam.
Okay. Circulation of the hormone, transport of the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and next.
Distributing of nutrients and removing waste material, madam.
Very good. And another one is
Maintenance of blood temperature.
Maintenance of blood temperature, ma'am.
body temperature. How much of that means you're able to understand in this class, all of you?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Not the body temperature, ma.
98 Fahrenheit, madam.
Centigrade?
38 Celsius, madam.
37. One submission on my all dear students. మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మీరెవరు కూడా దాని రిటర్న్ వర్క్ చేయటం లేదు కాబట్టి నేను దాన్ని ఇవ్వటం లేదు మా. నాకు రెస్పాన్స్ లేనప్పుడు నేను వర్క్ ఇచ్చి కూడా దాన్ని యూజ్ లేదు. అసైన్మెంట్ అని ఒకటి పెట్టినప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా నాకు రిటర్న్ వర్క్ మీరు నాకు సెండ్ చేయాలి. ఇంకొకటి, మీరు FA1 ఎగ్జామినేషన్ రాశారు, కలికిరి గర్ల్స్ మాత్రమే నాకు సెండ్ చేశారు మా. నేను ఒక చిన్న సబ్మిషన్, మీరు ఎవరైతే ఆ రిటర్న్ రాశారు కదా రిటర్న్ వర్క్, అది మీ నేమ్ మీ స్కూల్ పేరు రాసి నాకు తిరిగి మీరు సెండ్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే మీ నేమ్ లేకుండా నాకు సెండ్ చేశారు, నాకు నేమ్ లేదు, మార్క్స్ చేసుకోవడానికి నాకు అక్కడ పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు మా. మీరు 4% రాశారు కదా షార్ట్ నోట్స్ FA1 లో, ఆ షార్ట్ నోట్స్ తిరిగి రిమైండ్ మీరు మీ నేమ్ మీ స్కూల్ పేరు పెట్టి నాకు సెట్ చేస్తే నేను మార్క్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాను. నేను మార్క్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే మీ నేమ్ నాకు తెలియదు, మీరు గ్రూప్ లో పంపించారు, నా గ్రూప్ లో నేమ్ నాకు ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ కాలేదు, ఓన్లీ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది అంతే. కాబట్టి మీరు ఈరోజు ఆ ఒక పని చేయండి, నేను రేపటి లోపల మీకు మార్క్స్ అని కూడా నేను పోస్టింగ్ చేసేస్తాను. సర్టిఫికేట్ బాయ్స్ నో రెస్పాన్స్, జస్ట్ క్లాస్ విని వెళ్తున్నారు. ఎవరు ఇంపాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారో ఐ డోంట్ నో. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి మార్క్స్ మీరు కావాలంటే అసైన్మెంట్ కి రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు, ఏ హోంవర్క్ కి రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు, మీరు క్లాస్ వింటున్నారో వినలేదో కూడా నాకైతే తెలియటం లేదు. సర్టిఫికేట్ బాయ్స్ వి ఫాలో, మీ నోట్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, మీ నోట్స్ రాయాలి, స్లైడ్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీరు మీకు ఆల్రెడీ మీకు యూట్యూబ్ లో వీడియో వస్తుంది, స్లైడ్స్ నేను గ్రూప్స్ లో పెడుతున్నాను, మీకు నోట్స్ రాయడానికి ఈజీ మెథడ్ అయితే ఉందమ్మా. కాబట్టి మీరు కంపల్సరీ 2 చాప్టర్స్ నోట్స్ కంప్లీషన్ కంపల్సరీ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాలి. థర్డ్ లెసన్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా మీరు అట్లీస్ట్ మనం ఎంతవరకు రాయగలుగుతామో ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ వరకు రాయండి. డయాగ్రామ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. డయాగ్రామ్స్ కూడా మీరు వేస్తే నోట్స్ నీట్ గా రాయండి. దీనికి ఒక నోట్స్ పెట్టే రాయండి. మీరు రఫ్ వర్క్ గా రఫ్ నోట్స్ లో ఎట్లా పడితే అట్లా మెయింటైన్ చేయొద్దండి. సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది మీకు 10th క్లాస్ వచ్చి బేస్ మా. ఇన్ ఫర్దర్ క్లాసెస్ లోకి మీకు ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ రావాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీరు అన్ని నేర్చుకోవాలి కదా, కాబట్టి మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఇంకా సార్ ఇలియాస్ సార్, ఇలియాస్ సార్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తామా సార్? ఓకే.